Hey guys, in today's video we're going to look at the differences between a text editor and IDE and exactly what you're using when you program your robot in Android Studio. Let's jump in. Alright guys, what's the key difference between an IDE and a text editor? Well, an IDE is able to actually compile the program that you write into an executable, which then the robot can run. A text editor highlights the syntax and allows you to write the code, but it can't actually compile it into something that the robot can understand. So an IDE does both the text editor aspect of it and the compiling of the code. So Android Studio, which you guys are using for programming your robots, is what we'd call an IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. So what are some examples of widely used IDEs around the world today? Well, it just so happens that Android Studio is actually one of those because it's primarily responsible for all of the apps running on your Android device. There's also something called Xcode, which is pretty much the same thing for Apple. So any iOS or macOS apps are typically programmed through that and then distributed. And there's also something called Visual Studio Code, which allows you to do all types of programming languages. So personally, I will typically use Xcode for iOS apps, Android Studio for Android apps, and then Visual Studio Code for pretty much everything else. And that would include website design or API design or some sort of data mining project. So there's a whole set of IDEs available, and there are plenty more other than those three that you can choose from to edit code and run that code. It just depends on what your project is and what you're trying to do. So because the FTC app is an Android app, that's the main reason that we're using Android Studio to actually program our robots, because everything is being programmed in Java, which the Android phones understand. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'd love to know what your favorite IDEs and text editors are, so make sure you add them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you like future updates, you can hit the bell notification, and I will see you guys in the next video.